All right, folks, we're here with example 3 from 8.3 on finding the volume of the composite three-dimensional figure. And a composite three-dimensional figure is just when we take two figures and put them together. So if we want to find the volume of this entire figure, we can break it down into a cone and a cylinder. So we're going to find the volume of the cylinder, we're going to find the volume of the cone, and then we'll just add those two volumes together to get the volume of this entire figure here. So we're kind of familiar with those formulas, so I'm just going to jump ahead here and find the volume of the cylinder first. The volume of the cylinder is the area of the circle at the bottom. The circle at the bottom has a diameter of 4, so therefore it has a radius of 2. So the area of this circle is going to be pi times 2 squared, 2 because 2 is the radius, and 2 squared is 4. So the area of the circle down here is going to be 4 times pi. That's where this 4 times pi comes from. Then we're going to multiply that by 6 because 6 is the height of the cylinder. So the volume of the cylinder is going to be 24 times pi. 24 times pi will be the volume of just the cylinder. And now we have to find the volume of the cone. The volume of the cone is the same as the formula for the volume of a cylinder, just divided by 3. So plug in those values in. Is going to be 4 times pi is again the area of this circle because the radius of the circle is 2. They tell us the diameter is 4. So 4 times pi, area of the circle, times 3 because 3 is the height of the cone as indicated right here. And then we're going to divide that by 3 because that's part of the formula for the volume of a cone. 4 pi times 3 is 12 pi. We can do 12 divided by 3, which is the 4 pi. So 4 pi is the volume of just the cone. So the volume of just the cone, we have the volume of just the cylinder. Therefore, the volume of this entire figure here is going to be 28 pi because 24 pi plus 4 pi is 28 pi. So the volume of the composite three-dimensional figure will be 28 times pi.